Hello traders, what setup do you think we are looking at this trade? We are up currently 152. Remember, it's unrealized profit. How do we trade manage it? Where do we get out? What is our exit point? This and more in this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Illustrious Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders, as I've covered in the previous videos. We are up 190, 200 pounds actually right now. But remember that this is still unrealized profit. It's not yours. It can still go against you. So that's not what we'll be looking at as professionals. What we'll be focusing on is our trade management. Okay, that's what we'll be looking at. So this is a very simple trade management strategy. What we'll be doing is just trailing it behind the high of every 1 hour bar. Remember, this is all based on stretch principle. That's what we will be all based on. If you're not sure of that, look at our live trading video series on our YouTube channel. Another thing also you can do is look at our 5-part video series, Trader Starter Pack. Very high quality material there. 12 years of collated research taught by institutional quant traders. Okay, so that's that one there over here. In terms of exit, we are taking it as a range of from the daily. That's what we are looking at as of now in the daily. We have a phase 2 movement in the downtrend. This was after, this big bar is after the Bank of England increase in interest rates, but today it is correcting itself. Okay, that's what we are looking at. Alright, so we will see how this trade plans out to be. Every single 1 hour we'll check it and we'll trade manage it accordingly. Alright, okay, I'll pause the video here and we'll take it from there later on. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. Alright traders, as you can see over here, the trade has hit our target, the green line here. We banked in our cash over here, where you can see it's 620 pounds that we've banked in. Okay, now as you can see in the actual profit and loss column, I mean, we did take a losing trade before at 120, and then now this big winner has overridden that loss as well. I mean, the point is, what you need to focus on really is consistent execution. Know what your strategy is, know your quantified parameters, know what patterns you're looking for, and consistently execute them to realize your final net profit, okay, of the system. And continuously ask yourself as a professional, is my H continuing to work? What is my H? Why should it continue to work? These are the questions you should be asking yourself. Okay, so traders, there you go. You've seen us how we manage this trade in real time, and it's hit the target. I mean, a couple of action points that you can do from here. For those of you who are not sure of the stretch principle or how we're trading it, go and look at our live trading video series playlist on our YouTube channel and subscribe to it as well. And the other thing that you can also do is look at our 5-day video course, Trader Starter Pack, which is 12 years of collated research taught by institutional quant traders, which have put together highly invaluable material, especially for you, some of you intermediate traders. The advanced material will be really good, something that you will have never seen anywhere online. Okay, alright traders, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further. so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.